What's up guys, and in this video I'll be doing a very long flight in the Cessna 172. I'll be flying in Alaska. So yeah, I'll be talking through all the startup, shutdown and normal flight. I'll be flying from Papa Alpha Juliet November to Papa Alpha Golf and Sierra. It's going to be a very long flight, 20 minutes long, but it's going to take a lot longer with the taxi. If I won't be doing anything, I'll just skip all my video or time lapse, or else this video will be about an hour long. So hope you enjoy the video. So I'll just check the parking brake, fuel selection to both, mixture fully rich, throttle to 100, beacon light that's already on, so don't need to worry about that. Primer, so my fuel switch, master switch on, hold that for about 3 seconds, then I'll switch my fuel switch back on, off. And we go ahead and start our engine up. Let's get the fuel switch off. So I'll just flick the magneto switch all the way to the right. I'll check if the prop's clear as well. There's 1 1/4 inch of the throttle. Yep, clear prop. And switch the engine on. Now I'll check my oil to see if it is in the green. That's the oil pressure, and it is. So throttle, just flick it up to 1000 RPM, so it just needs to come down a tiny little bit. Then I can flick my alternator on, which is charges the battery for the plane when the engine's on. That's the one on the left, and then the avionics on. Flaps I need to retract now, and then I'll lean the mixture for a taxi. And now, because I'm nearly away from my taxi, I'll flick my taxi lights on, check the controls, check the weather, and then I'll flick my parking brakes off. And if it is night, then I'll flick my navigation lights on, but it isn't dark, so alright. So check the weather, parking brakes off, and we'll be ready to get going. So the taxi we'll be taking will be from Alpha Parking onto Bravo 1, then to Alpha, all the way down Alpha. Then once I finish that, that'll be to Golf. Then I'll be onto runway 26, departing west. That'll be to Papa Alpha Golf Sierra. I'm not sure what the airport's called, but that's all I know about it. So once you've taxied up to the hold short line, I'll be setting my flaps. I'll be setting my flaps to takeoff, and that'll be 10 degrees because it's a huge runway, so I'll take off easily on it. Then I'll put the trim down to take off as well. I'll check that my doors and windows are shut. Then mixture to full rich, strobe lights on, landing lights on, and then I'll be alright to take off on runway 27. Also I'll flick my taxi lights off as well. So yeah, I'll be departing on runway 26 and departing west to my destination.
had the whole world at our feet, watching seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains in the way couldn't keep us from the sea. Here we stand, open arms. This is home where we are, ever strong in the world that we made. I still hear you in the breeze, see your shadows in the trees, holding on, memories never change.
So, you can see the airport site. I'll be landing on runway 20, as you can see on the screen. But just be, I think there is a little taxi lane coming up. There should be one, and our parking's just right next to the runway. So, yeah, I'll just start putting the flaps down and hope for best to get a good landing. we are, guys, landed on runway 20 and we're on our destination. So I'll just park here. So yeah, retract our flaps, and then I'll just go ahead and switch my strobe lights off and also landing lights. Then we'll do our taxi lights on as well. So that's landing lights, taxi lights on, strobe lights off. Then we'll lean our mixture for taxi, and as I said before, just have our taxi lights on, and also just put the throttles to 1000 RPM. Then we're good to taxi to our parking. So we're at parking now. First we'll just put our parking brake set, but X-Plane you can only put it down once, so I don't know what's going on there. Just plugging in a new fix. So avionics off, throttles to 1000 RPM. It's already like that anyway. Mixture cut off, then the propeller will stop. Ignition switch once the propeller stops, or magneto, whatever you want to call it, so that's off. Alternator switch, just the one that charges the batteries, and the master switch, that's the battery itself. Also taxi lights off as well. I always keep the beacon on, so when you switch the battery on, it's always on. That's what you have to do anyway, so you just open your door and you finish your flight. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this Cessna 172 flight, and I'll see you all later.